We got you guys another hack. This is a nice deal. Big shout out to my man, Mr. Mendoza from Fontana, California. Always killing it with those deals. Those Milwaukee killer deals, especially. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out our channel by doing so. All right, so this is the 3/8 impact wrench, M18 fuel, 1 key 18-volt lithium ion, brushless, cordless, half an inch impact wrench with pin detent, 2 5 amp hour batteries. If you guys don't know what a pin detent is, it's basically a pin that goes in the Advil. It's more dedicated. This tool is more designed for the professional, for the auto mechanic that's going to be using this tool as a dedicated socket. Like if you have a specific number, like a half an inch or whatever you have, and you're going to be using that socket pretty much all day, every day, or you're going to be switching it out maybe once or twice a day. But yeah, it's mostly dedicated to one socket, and just leave it on there, not change it often, because the pin detent, you do have to, I believe you do have to mess with that. I don't know exactly how that works, but I know it is harder than the friction ring. The friction ring is what you usually use in the household, or what most mechanics will use, because you can just easily pop in a socket and then just pop it out and pop in another different socket. So this is a pin detent. Just keep that in mind when you're buying it. You guys can look at it right there. It does have the hole right there for the pin detents. All right, so it's $2.99. Yes, this is the 1 key. This is the kit. $2.99. You get the free gift with purchase. You select that. Obviously, you're going to select the most expensive, which is both of these are. The $2.49 is already sold out. Wish it was still in stock. That would be nice. You're going to select one of these, whatever you choose. And we're going to wait for this. All right. So down to $107. This is yes, I believe this is the brand new. Yes, it is the brand new. Is it the brand new? Well, I would have to look at it closely. If it's the brand new, I couldn't tell you if it's the brand new hammer drill, the Gen 4. But yeah, it's this one's down to $107.97. And then the tool, the impact driver, or the impact wrench, the half an inch impact wrench with the 1 key, it's down to $191 as a kit, guys. That is an awesome deal. Killer deal with 2 batteries, a charger, and a case. Go get them. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. A big shout out to Mr. Mendoza, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.